Domestication, process of bringing wild species under human management. Domestication of gopher plant or Hevia species, milkweed or Euphorbia lathyrus, and Kala Jeera or Buonium persicum. So, domestication example: gopher plant or Hevia species, milkweed or Euphorbia lathyrus, Kala Jeera or Buonium persicum. Selection: different genotypes present in a population reproduce at different rates. Population: a group of individuals which can mate freely with each other. Selection based on agency responsible. Two types of selection: natural selection and artificial selection. Natural selection: selection due to natural forces like climate, soil, biological factors like diseases, insect pests, environmental factors. Artificial selection by man, confined to only domesticated species. Artificial selection is confined to only domesticated species. According to Nicholson in 1962, two mechanisms of natural selection: environmental selection and competition. So, according to Nicholson 1962, two mechanisms of natural selection: environmental selection and competition. Environmental selection it is against all genotypes that are unable to tolerate the environmental stress, and competition between plants for water, light, and nutrients. Artificial selection, there is reduced in genetic variability in selected progenies or populations. In artificial selection, there is reduced genetic variability in selected progenies or population. Three types of selection: directional selection, stabilizing selection, and disruptive selection. Directional selection: individual selected for an extreme phenotype or trait on a group of traits or on the basis of a group of traits. Stabilizing selection: selection of intermediate phenotypes and acts against extreme phenotypes. Disruptive selection: a different phenotypic optima is in each ecological niche for two or more special forms in a population. So, how many types of selection are there? Three types of selection. First is directional selection, individual selected for an extreme phenotype or trait or a group of traits. Stabilizing selection: selection of intermediate phenotypes and acts against extreme phenotypes. Disruptive selection: it is a different phenotypic optima in each ecological niche for two or more special forms in a population. Then, germplasm or gene pool or genetic stock or genetic resources. 7 types of germplasm: land races or primitive cultivars, obsolete cultivars, improved varieties of recent past, example K68, K65 and PB591, modern cultivars or currently cultivated varieties, advanced breeding lines, wild forms of cultivated species, and wild relatives, example interspecific derivatives. So, interspecific derivatives are included in which type of genetic resources? Wild relatives. And then mutants, example mutant gene pool, DGO-U gene in rice, Norin 10 in wheat, semi-dwarf rice and wheat varieties. Example in seed propagated species, according to IAEA 1991, 410 varieties are released through the use of mutants in crosses. So, how many types of germplasm or gene pool or genetic stock or genetic resources are there? 7 types of germplasms are there. First is land races or primitive cultivars. Second is obsolete cultivars, improved varieties of recent past. Example of obsolete cultivars are K68, K65, PB591. Modern cultivars or currently cultivated varieties, advanced breeding lines, wild forms of cultivated species, wild relatives, example interspecific derivatives, mutants, example mutant gene pool like DGO-U gene in rice and Norin 10 in wheat, semi-dwarf rice and wheat varieties. Example in seed propagated species, according to IAEA 1991, 410 varieties are released through the use of mutants in crosses. Seed propagated species, 410 varieties. Land races are used in subsistence agriculture, was first collected and studied by Inai Vavilov in rice, later in other crops like maize, sorghum, pearl millet in South Asia. Genetic base, land races have broad genetic base than modern cultivars. Modern cultivars and narrow genetic base. Land races have high adaptability than modern cultivars. So, land races are used in, primitive cultivars are used in subsistence agriculture. Land races was first collected and studied by Inai Vavilov in rice, later in other crops like maize, sorghum and pearl millet in South Asia. Genetic base, genetic base and adaptability. Land races have broad genetic base and high adaptability than modern cultivars. Classification of gene pool or germplasm on the basis of area of collection: indigenous germplasm, exotic germplasm. How many types of bases? 4 types of bases. Four types of basis of classification of germplasm. Four types of basis of classification. First basis is on the basis of area of collection. Indigenous germplasm, exotic germplasm. Second type of basis on the basis of domestication. Cultivated germplasm and wild germplasm. Used in three main ways. Cultivated germplasm used in three main ways. First is released as a variety. Second is used in selection, and third is used as the parent in hybridization program. So on the basis of domestication, two types of germplasm are there: cultivated germplasm and wild germplasm. Cultivated germplasm are used in three types of activities or main ways. First is released as a variety, directly released as a variety. Second is used in selection program, and third is used as a parent in hybridization program. Third type on the basis of duration of conservation or types of seed collection: base collection, active collections, and working collections. On the basis of duration of conservation or types of seed collection: base collections, conservation for up to 50 years or more at -18 to -20 degrees Celsius in hermetically sealed containers. Seeds are dried to 5 ±1% moisture and have more than 85% of initial seed viability. Base collections are used for regeneration. Active collections: conservation up to 8 to 10 years or more. Conservation at 0 degrees Celsius and moisture is 8%. Germination test is carried out in case of active collections in every 5 to 10 years. Working collections: conservation for up to 3 to 5 years at 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, moisture is 8 to 10%. So on the basis of duration of conservation or types of seed collection, three types of collections are there: base collection, conservation up to 50 years or more at -18 or -20 degrees Celsius in hermetically sealed containers. Seeds are dried to 5 ±1% of moisture content and have more than 85% of normal initial seed viability. Base collections are used for regeneration. Which type of collections or seed collection is used for regeneration? Base collection. Active collections: conservation up to 8 to 10 years or more at 0 degrees Celsius temperature and moisture is 8%. Germination test is carried out in case of active collections in every 5 to 10 years. Then working collections: conservation up to 3 to 5 years at 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, moisture is 8 to 10%. Core collection: it is a subset of base collection and is proposed by Frankel and Brown in 1984. Core collection is a subset of base collection, and it was proposed by Frankel and Brown in 1984. Core collection. The fourth type of basis is on the basis of cross ability in breeding programs. Gene pool system of classification. Three types of: primary gene pool or GP1, secondary gene pool or GP2, and tertiary gene pool or GP3. So on the basis of crossing abilities in breeding programs or gene pool system of classification. Fourth is the gene pool system of classification. First is primary gene pool or GP1, produce fertile hybrids in crossing with same species or closely related species. Primary gene pool is easy to cross. Secondary gene pool or GP2 produce partially fertile hybrids in crossing with gene pool 1. Tertiary gene pool or GP3 produce sterile hybrids in crossing with GP1. Crossing with same species or closely related species, easy to cross. Then germplasm activities. How many types of activities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 types of activities are there. First is exploration and collection. Exploration has collection, and collection has 6 important steps or important items: sources of collection, priority of collection, agencies of collection, methods of collection, methods of sampling, and sample size. Agencies of collection are NBPGR, New Delhi, India; IPGRI, Rome, Italy. Methods of sampling are 2 methods: random sampling and biased sampling. 95% of total genetic diversity should be captured from area of collection. 50 to 100 individuals should be collected per site with 50 seeds per plant. So first germplasm activity is the exploration and collection. It has 6 important items. First is sources of collection. Second is priority of collection. Third is agencies of collection. Agencies are NBPGR, New Delhi, India; IPGRI, Rome, Italy. National, international. Methods of collection. Methods of sampling. 2 types of methods: random sampling and biased sampling. 2 types of sampling methods: random sampling and biased sampling. Then sample size. Sample size 95% of total genetic diversity should be captured from area of collection. 50 to 100 individuals should be collected from per site and with 50 seeds per plant. 95%, 50 to 100, 50 seeds. Second type of activity is the germplasm conservation. Two types of germplasm conservation, in situ and ex situ. Example, natural biosphere reserves, national parks. Ex situ germplasm is conserved at ex situ in two forms, in the form of seeds and in the form of meristem cultures. In the form of seeds, three types of conservation: long-term conservation for 50 to 100 years, medium-term conservation for 10 to 15 years, and short-term storage for 3 to 5 years. And in the form of meristem cultures, conserve perennial plants which take 10 to 20 years to produce seeds, vegetatively propagated species like potato, sweet potato, and cassava. So second type of activity is the germplasm conservation. Two types, in situ and ex situ. Under in situ, natural biosphere reserves, national parks. Ex situ germplasm is conserved in two ways, in the form of seeds and in the form of meristem culture. In the form of seeds, three types of conservation. First is long-term conservation for 50 to 100 years, medium-term conservation for 10 to 15 years, and short-term storage for 3 to 5 years. In the form of meristem culture, conserve those perennial plants which take 10 to 20 years to produce the seeds. Many which take a long time, 10 to 20 years to produce the seeds, are conserved in the form of meristem culture, vegetatively propagated species like potato, sweet potato, cassava. Two types of seeds for storage purpose: orthodox seeds and recalcitrant seeds. Orthodox seeds are dried in low temperature and low moisture content. Example of orthodox seeds: corn, wheat, rice, carrot, beets, papaya, pepper, chickpea, lentil, soybean, cotton, sunflower, various beans, eggplant or brinjal, and brassicas. Recalcitrant seeds dried in moisture like 12 to 13%. Orthodox seeds are dried in moisture 5% and recalcitrant seeds are dried in moisture 12 to 13%. Example, all plantation crops like recalcitrant seeds: cocoa, coconut, mango, tea, coffee, rubber, jackfruit, oil palm seeds. Orthodox seeds are conserved in seed gene banks and recalcitrant seeds are conserved in field gene banks. Conservation of meristem cultures in meristem or shoot tip banks. So orthodox seeds are conserved in seed gene banks and recalcitrant seeds are conserved in field gene banks, and conservation of meristem culture in meristem or shoot tip banks. The third type of activity is the evaluation of germplasm. Evaluation is done by experts from IPGRI, International IPGRI, by three different places. In three different places, evaluation: in field, in the greenhouse, screening of resistance to abiotic and abiotic stress; in field, morphological and physiological characters like photosynthetic efficiency, transpiration rate; and in library evaluation of biochemical characters like protein content, oil content, amino acid content, and technical parameters. Evaluation by both visual observations and metric measurements. So the third type of activity under germplasm is evaluation of germplasm done by experts from IPGRI. Evaluation in three different places. First is in field. In field, evaluation of morphological and physiological characters of plants like photosynthetic efficiency and transpiration rate. Second is greenhouse. Here is evaluation or screening of resistance to biotic and abiotic stresses of plants. Third, in laboratory, evaluation of biochemical characters of plants like protein content, oil content, amino acid contents, and technical parameters. And evaluation of germplasms can be done by both visual observations and metric measurements. Variations for polygenic characters is assessed by three different methods: by simple measurements of dispersion like range, standard deviation, standard error, coefficient of variation; by metrographic analysis of Anderson in 1957; and by D-square statistics of P.C. Mahalanobis in 1936. So variation for polygenic characters is assessed in three different methods. Variation in polygenic characters. Variation in polygenic characters is assessed by three different methods. First is simple measures of dispersion. Measures of dispersion like range, standard deviation, standard error, coefficient of variation. Second is metrographic analysis of Anderson in 1957. Metrographic analysis of Anderson in 1957. Third is D-square statistics of Mahalanobis, P.C. Mahalanobis in 1936. Fourth type of activity under germplasm is documentation or information system. Means dissemination and retrieval of data. Large number of accessions or samples are available in maize, rice, wheat, sorghum, potato and other crops. Documentation or information system, dissemination and retrieval of data. Large number of accession or samples are available in maize, rice, wheat, sorghum, potato and other major crops. 7.3 million germplasm accessions or samples are available in 200 crop species. This huge number of sample information's handling and can be only done by electronic computers. For uniformity of information, IPGRI has designed descriptors or characters descriptors state for majority of crops. So 7.3 million germplasms accessions or samples. 7.3 million germplasm accessions or samples are available from 200 different crops. This huge number of sample informations can be handled by only electronic computers. For uniformity of information, IPGRI has designed descriptors or characters descriptor state for majority of crops. Descriptors or characters and descriptor state. Fifth type of activity under germplasm is distribution. Distribution of samples or accessions is the responsibility of gene banks. Distribution is the responsibility of gene bank centers or collecting centers. Distribution is done only after the evaluation of one or two crop seasons. 6. Distribution of samples or accessions is the responsibility of gene bank centers or collecting centers only after the evaluation of one or two crop seasons. Sixth type of step under germplasm is the utilization. Use of germplasm in crop improvement programs. Utilization is nothing but the use of germplasms in crop improvement programs. Germplasms are mainly supplied free of cost to researchers of particular crop species. Organizations associated with germplasms, international and national. International IPGRI Rome, Italy. National NBPGR New Delhi. IPGRI International Plant Genetic Resources Institute 1994, NBPGR National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources 1976. International IPGRI Rome, Italy, International Plant Genetic Resources Institute 1994 and National NBPGR New Delhi, India, National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources established in 1976. Then old name of IPGRI is IBPGR. IPGRI was established by CGIAR in 1994. CGIAR Consultative Group on International Agricultural Research, UNDP United Nations Development Programme and World Bank. So, and FAO. Old name of IPGRI was IBPGR. IPGRI was established by CGIAR in 1994. CGIAR full form Consultative Group on International Agricultural Research, UNDP full form United Nations Development Programme, World Bank and FAO. Objectives of plant breeding: higher yield, improved quality, grain size, shape, color, milling and baking quality of wheat, cooking quality in rice, melting quality in barley, size, color, flavor, quality in fruits.